Have you heard about our new LED products? Let me go show you one of them. It's our LED transparent flexible screen.
I'm very interested in this product. Can you explain it to me?
Yeah, sure. 1 second. So this is a very transparent LED screen. It is actually the most transparent screen on the market at the moment. New technology. It has 3 millimeters of thickness. This is our standard version, but it can go bigger or smaller depending on what you want. And you can play any video or photo that you want. It also has the option for playback content. And we have a sample in case you don't want to get something big like this. We have a smaller sample that you can get, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Okay, so this is the product that we have as a sample, so that our clients can really, know how the product works and test it for themselves. So if you want to get a sample, get in contact with the customer service and they would answer you as well. So it has synchronization with your phone and your computer because it has a modem that you would connect, to the screen and put your content on there. So Linley, what do you think about this screen?
I'm asking questions. Can I use it outdoor?
We can use it to have an outdoor effect. So we recommend that you use it on glass windows or glass walls so that people on the outside can see the product. Okay, so that's what we recommend.
Very good. Thank you for recommending a great product for me.
Don't mention. It's okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.